A little update video on the Urban Distress, the extra frame that I have that I decided to try to make into a complete bike. The good news is front wheel with new rubber on, no cables hooked up. Got a dent in the fender, it looks like. Oh yeah, we got a mess up front. I think I do have a headlight, non-working. I kind of robbed a few parts from this bike, which might have been a mistake, but have to redo it again. Somebody cut off the speedo cable. I don't think I have the foot pegs. Oh yeah. The bolt here is not long enough. It's one I substituted. I'll have to locate that. Don't have a rear shock, but I have a newly laced rear wheel with new rubber. Gotta like that. Obviously, no gas tank. I do have a rack, which has seen better days. Is this the electric start version? Is this a deluxe? Yes, it is. Oh man, I gotta... I do have potentially have an exhaust. If I can weld a washer on where the collar used to be. Oh, battery box. Yep. Forget that. How about the wiring? One. Kind of two. Fuse. Yeah, that'll do. A little rusty there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Let's look at this exhaust. I do have a battery box right there. So I filed this down, and the idea is to weld that on. If I ever get to it, this is broken. Got another one from my good friend Jason. Joseph sent me a kickstart lever. Here, my collection of engine mounting bolts. Trying to figure out if I had one that was long enough. And, well, anyways, we'll keep plugging away. Hey, if I get a shock, maybe I'll buy a shock from Treatland so that I can just get this thing up on the bench and get a better look at it. Signing off.